What's up, everybody? It's been a little while. Took a little mental health break for a month. No matter how hard you try, you just can't get rid of me. Oh, fuck. I just shit my pants. You know, as a highly successful YouTuber, businessman, billionaire, I've been trying to come up with an idea that would invigorate people, get people going, you know? Pumpkin carving, but with a pressure washer. So today's little spooky Halloween special bullshit is I'm gonna carve a pumpkin and I'm only allowed to use a pressure washer and my hands. Yeah, I don't really got anything else for you, so let's go get a pumpkin. I think this is the one. Okay. Time to take the new let's go home. Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome to Pressure Washer Pumpkin Carving. This year I really wanted to do a Halloween special, but I didn't really have a lot of time because I have a job. I don't know if you guys would know what that's like. I waited till the last minute. If you want to look, it's really raining pretty bad. It's really fucking disgusting out. So, and since it's Halloween, I wanted to dress up as my favorite YouTuber, Markiplier.
Hello, everybody.
I got the red flannel. I'm going for a 2015 Markiplier look. As you can see, I had a LagCorp employee go ahead and stencil out Sonic the Hedgehog. The only rule really is that I'm really only allowed to use my pressure washer and my little thingies. Perfect.
Stand back, men! She's gonna blow!
Oh. Woo! It's alive. What the fuck? It's pissing. It's going full anime schoolgirl right now. I'm not sure why. Just gotta kinda. God, I love being me. I'm so tall and handsome and strong. So, yeah, it's really excited about this video. Here we go, everybody. Wish me luck. Oh, fuck. As you can see, it ain't really going too well right now. Fuck. Yes! Yes! I'm the best. Check this shit out. Oh yeah. Oh God. I love being me. Fuck! This is exactly how I planned it. Fuck you. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be real with you. It's actually pretty fucked. Happy Halloween. Fuck! Oh my God. Yes! Let's get a little status update. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what we got so far. I think it's coming along rather swimmingly, actually. I'm Wilford Warfstache.
Hello, everybody.
Me when I, just like Sonic, you gotta live and you gotta learn. Oh, you're a naughty boy, aren't you? What do you think, camera person? Oh, they can't see your thumbs up. So you see we got the quills here, and that's supposed to be his ear right here. What? Did you stop recording while I was talking? You did, didn't you? I'll have you killed. So now I just gotta cut out his eye. This is gonna be interesting because I have to be really careful about how I cut this. Fuck! I've got seeds in my mouth. Yes. Holy shit, that turned out awesome. Come on. Be good. Be good for daddy. Yes! Holy shit. This is the greatest pumpkin I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, actually, that's not actually, it's not as good as I thought it was. Time to cut open the top and get these guts out.
Stand back! She's gonna blow!
You see what I do for you?
This is all for you. Are you happy? 'Cause I'm not.
And to the victor
Go spoiled.
It's actually kind of warm. Oh yeah, look at all those guts. You know I'm always all up in them guts. What the hell? Oh, hello. You want some pumpkin? What's wrong? Come back. Would you look at that? That's it's actually kind of fucking horrible, isn't it? Happy Halloween, everybody. Oh wait, how can I forget? We gotta light this bad boy up. Am I pretty now? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Let's go get a fucking candle. Can I borrow a candle? Thank you, neighbor. Are you happy with what you've done to me? You make me sick. Blaze the weed. Wow, that looks like shit. Let's wait for it to get dark and then I'll show you guys again. I got pumpkin literally all in my fucking hair. Well guys, I ditched the Markiplier costume. The M fell off, kind of like my YouTube channel. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out this year. I mean, it ain't perfect, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.